Okay, just think of it over and over in your head. Think of the word over and over, like Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. All right, so I'll just shuffle the cards up a little bit, and I'll just show you. I'll show you all the cards. They're all different, all mixed up and random, right? All right, so just go ahead and tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Right there. Okay. Now, if we were in person, you would look at the card and not tell me what it is. But since I can see it, it's okay if I see it for this trick. So just go ahead and remember that 8 of diamonds. Now I'm going to put your card in the deck. I'm going to try to find it in the most impossible way you can imagine. Okay. All right. So go ahead and tell me when to stop again.
Stop.
All right. We'll put it back in here. Now I'm putting it back in the same direction as all the other cards. So without actually looking for it already, it would be pretty hard to find. But I'm actually going to get about half the deck here, and I'm going to shuffle the cards face up into face down. So the deck is going to be completely mixed up. And you can see they're really getting mixed together. So that will make it even more impossible to find your card. So you see the deck is just completely messed up. Now, in order to find your card, I'm actually going to have to completely fix all the cards except for one. I'll just shuffle the cards up here a little bit. Now, I'm going to try to, you're going to pick a card, I'm going to try to find it in the most impossible way. All right, so I'll just show you the cards are all mixed up, they're all different and everything. So, all right, so just tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, right here. All right, now if we were in person, you would memorize the card without me knowing it, but since we're not, it's okay if I see it. So 3 of diamonds. All right, I'm going to put it back in the deck. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
All right, so I'm going to put it back in right here. Now, your card's facing the same direction as the rest of them, so already it would be pretty hard to find without actually looking for it. But I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to make it the most impossible way that I can, okay? So this way it's going to be, the cards are going to be all mixed up, and it's going to be really hard to find your card. So you can see the deck is just completely messed up. Now, I'm actually going to try this here to find your card. Just like that. You can see the entire deck fixes itself, except for one card. Your card. Just imagine the word and imagine it in front of me. Imagine all the letters mixed up. I'm going to try to get the letters. They come through jumbled anyways, so just imagine them all mixed up. Now go through, think of a random letter, and jump back to another letter. Okay, just repeat the word over and over in your head, like Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. Okay? All right. Are you Gemini?
Yeah.
Okay. Imagine the word to your star sign in front of me. Now think of all the letters and think of them in random order. Just cycle the letters through your head. Think of it as a picture. So imagine it in front of me like Leo.
I am a Leo.
Right.
Alright, guess mine. How the fuck, wait? I'm scared when you said that. I was like,
right, so I'll guess yours. Okay, so the same thing. Think of all the letters. Think of them all mixed up, all jumbled, okay? Okay, just think of it over and over in your head. Think of the word over and over, like Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Right there. All right. So 3 of hearts. Okay. Now I'm going to lose your card in the deck. All right. Just tell me when to stop again. So it's going to be even harder to find your card. Okay. You can see they're getting all mixed in together here. Now the deck is completely messed up. It's completely mixed together. In order to find your card in the most impossible way, I'm actually going to have to completely fix the entire deck, except for one card.
What the heck? What the heck?
You do know your star sign, right?
Yeah, no idea.
Okay. So, okay, just say that your star sign. Just imagine it over and over, and then say it over and over in your head. Scorpio.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what I thought.
I will. Well, thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you for watching. So Ace of Clubs. I'm going to try to lose it in the deck and then find it again. I'm going to shuffle them face up into face down. So that way they're completely messed up and it'll be really hard to find your card. You can see they're really getting mixed together here. I'll just quickly show you that the deck is completely messed up, completely mixed up. Okay. But in order to find your card without actually looking for it, I would actually have to make the entire deck fix itself, except for one card.
Oh, that is so cool.
Thank you. All right, so I'm going to try to guess yours. Now, just imagine your star sign as a picture. Repeat the word over and over in your head like Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Okay?
Okay.
I'm thinking you are a Scorpio.
Yeah. You want to try her?
Sure.
You have to. I do.
Okay.
You
Same.
have to, like, think of it.
Yeah, just think of your star sign, and the same thing. Just imagine the letters in front of me, and then they always come through jumbled. I can't always get all the letters exactly. I'm seeing an R in yours too. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm also seeing an A.
Yes.
There's not an I in there, is there?
No.
I didn't think so. Okay. Same thing. Just repeat it over and over, like Taurus, Taurus, Taurus in your head. Okay. It's Taurus.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, Taurus. Go ahead and tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Right there. 10 of diamonds. So just tell me when to stop again.
Stop.
Okay. And I'm actually going to shuffle them face up into face down. Okay. To make it even more mixed up. You can see they're really getting mixed together. And you can see the deck is completely mixed up here. So, complete chaos. But in order to find your card, what I'm going to have to do is I'm actually going to have to fix the entire deck, except for one card.
What the fuck? Hold on. That is dope.
Thanks, man. Okay. All right, so just imagine the word in front of me, and then think of all the letters, and then think of them kind of mixed up and jumbled, and go through and just think of them one at a time. Just think of the word, and then just repeat it over and over in your head, like Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Virgo. Can we try to guess yours?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It's not that easy, but let me just try the same thing. Just think of the letters, and then think of them all mixed up, and then just jump through the letters. I'm feeling like there's an R in yours too. I'm also seeing an A.
Yeah.
There's not an I in there.
Yeah.
I feel like I see a C in there. Are you Capricorn?
Yeah. That's fucking dope.
Thanks, man. Yeah, but
I like sleight of hand like that. For me, that's like my favorite.
yeah. I got a trick that uses some sleight of hand if you want to see it.
Yeah.
Okay. Just tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay. So go ahead and use the card, the Queen of Spades. Okay. All right, so I'm going to lose it somewhere in the deck, okay? All right, so with the card being somewhere in the deck, you can see it's not on top or bottom. Now, what's weird is sometimes if I snap my fingers, it actually jumps back up.
Holy shit.
Now I'll show you again, but this time I'll leave it sticking out a little bit from the deck, or out of the deck, so you can see it. So it'll be a little bit easier to try to track it. So if I leave it sticking out, and I show you the top card, as I push your card in, flip over the top card, once again, it jumps back up.
Yeah, I still didn't catch how it went from the fucking middle to the top.
Yeah, that's just the sleight of hand stuff. So that's an example of it, but I try to do a lot of sleight of hand. That's one of my main things. Like, it's really crazy. Like, magicians, you got to work really hard to like try to get a card from the middle to the top. Like, if I put it in the middle like this, and I leave it somewhere in there like that, and then you can see it just get back up.
Holy shit.
Yeah. So, hey man, I got a question for you.
What is it?
I want to try to guess your star sign.
I legit just had deja vu.
Coincidence? Do you know your star sign?
Nope, no idea.
Oh, you don't know it? Well, then you're probably a Sagittarius.
Damn.
You are?
Yeah.
I figured. All right, have a good one.
Me too.
Hey, I want to try to guess your star sign.
My what?
Your star sign, like your Zodiac sign.
Go for it.
Do you know it? All right, I'm going to try to guess it, okay? All right, imagine it in front of me. Like, imagine the word in front of me with all the letters. And then think of the letters all mixed up and jumbled. So just imagine it real big in front of me. You're a Gemini.
How the fuck? How do you do that?
It's mentalism. Okay, try to think of it as a picture, like real big right in front of me, like Leo. Is that it? Pretty good. I'm going to lower the camera down, okay, for the cards here.
Can I show you one?
Sure. The whole entire deck fixes itself, except for one card. Your card.
Okay, can I show you mine?
Sure.
Okay. Abracadabra.
Yours was better.